official found the new man.
What? What you say to me, dog? Hold on. What you say? No. After me do so much, me go as far as lay down in my underpants, yo. No, after me do so much. After me do so much, she gonna break my heart like that, yo. Jadwa. You know how much me do? You know how much things me do? I'm gonna get a reply, I'm gonna get nothing. Upon the picture. Eh? Am I doing something wrong? I can never find love. I'm done. You're not gonna treat her like how me could have treated you. I'm done. Give up. Give up. Trust me, I give up. What's up, guys? About Tata here. Now I'm doing subscriber shout outs. So everybody who wants a shout out, just comment on the video. You see me? I say, yeah, I'm gonna start that. So subscriber shout out. Just comment on the video. I'm gonna shout out now. Simple 1, 2, 3. You see me? I say, like and comment and share and subscribe to the channel for the new. Peace out. You see me? Yeah.